Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is the solution of first terminal diagnostic test 2021 held on 15th March, okay, standard 6th. So friends, first of all, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon so that you will get all the solution of your standard, okay, on time. Okay friends, so I will be giving you all the solution of this paper, okay. All the solution will be given to you. So friend, this is the paper. You can write down from this paper and I will be giving you all the solutions. Okay, thank you friends. Let's go to the solution. First of all, let me show you some basic things. If 55, the give answer is very easy. Now which is the sixth digit number? Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times. Okay, 6 times 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 9 will give you sixth digit number. Okay, so it is very easy. I will be taking you to the PDF section. Okay friends, here is the answer. Maths paper. Give answer. If 55 kg of 255 kg 200 grams of grains is to be distributed among 12 students, then we have to divide. Okay, so first of all, we have just mixed the grams. We have converted kilograms into gram, so it will give you 55,200 grams, and then we have divided, so 4600 grams. Okay, so answer is here 46 kg. Okay, answer is, you can write down 46. Here it is given 46,000 gram. Everyone will get 4600 gram. Okay, or 46 kg or 46 kg. Okay, so this is the thing, 46. So so not 46 kg but 4.6 kg will, okay, 4.6 kg, this will be the answer. Okay, let's go further. A cricketer has made total 7,101 runs, 7,111 runs till today. How many more runs? So more runs are remaining, so we have to just minus it, 7,111 from 10,000, so you will get 3,889. Okay, next, give answer. Which is the biggest 6 digit number? Biggest 6 digit number is 6 times 9. Okay, and here 10, 20 and 29. 29 is written in Roman number in this way. By repeating any one number from 4, 1 and 9. Okay, here which is the smallest number that we can make? So answer is 1149. Okay friends, so answer is 1149. Okay, 1149. Answer is 1149. How can we write 7 lakh 1025 in number? So 7 lakh 1025 is written here. Okay, 7 lakh 1000, okay, 25 is written this way. Okay, let's go further. Which number does Roman numeral L shows 50. Okay, so expand, we have to expand 48,010 means 40,000 plus 8,000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 0. Okay, now which is the biggest 4 digit number? Biggest 4 digit number is 4 times 9, 9999. Which pair of integers has same approximate value? So it is very much, we can say that it is very much nearer. 4.6 is nearer to 5.0, so this is the correct answer. Let's go further. Do as directed, fill in the blanks. Which property is shown here? Here answer in the blanks is associative property. By multiplying 1 with 100, we get product 100. Okay, 9 square pieces can be arranged in dash shape. Square pieces can be arranged in square pieces. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 and 9, these all are square, so it will make a square. Okay, multiplication of two whole numbers 48, so answer will get 6 into 8 will give you 48. One of the number is given, that is 6, so answer is 8. Okay, the smallest whole number is 0. Okay, as we all know, smallest whole number is 0. Solve the following. Multiply, we have to multiply this by this. Okay, multiplying 12 by 35 will give you 420. Okay, now next, in a canteen a dish cost rupees 30 and a glass cost milk. Okay, then milk cost rupees 4, then what will be the cost of 5 times? So 30 into 5 will give you 150, 4 into 5 will give 20, so both total will give you 170. Okay, find the value. Now we have to find the value here. It is given, we just multiply 17 and 13, we have to add it here. So 970, 900, 297 into 2 will give 490, and it answer will answer 45490. Okay, next do a direct answer in short. Find the LCM. LCM is given here. LCM is 36, and which is the smallest prime number? As we all know, smallest prime number is 2. Which is the smallest factor of 15? Smallest factor of 15 is 3. Okay, very easy to understand. Which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? So 1 is neither a prime number or a composite number. Okay, so here and question number 5, what will be the HCF of two composite number? The HCF of two composite number will always be composite number. Okay, question number 6, which is the divisible number? Okay, that is divisible by 37, 47, 67 and 87. We can know that no even number is divisible by all. Okay, so it is very difficult, so we can note 1 is also divisible by all the numbers. Do a LCM of 12, 45 and 75. Okay, here we can see 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 is equal to 90. It will give 90 HCF. Here there is no highest common factor, so we will write it as it is. Okay, now 13 and 31 both are prime numbers. 13 and 31 both are prime numbers. If we in both numbers, okay, both numbers 1 and 3 are common. Now make the 4 pairs of such prime numbers from 1 to 100. So here we can see 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17 and 71 both are prime number. 37 and 73 both are prime number. If we make it inverse, the both our numbers are written, both our number has to be read same. Okay, do that. Write whether the following, write whether the given sentences are true or false. Okay, here two lines intersect each other only at one point. Okay, so it is true, here it is true, and here it is false. Here again it is true, and here, okay, here it is again true. Okay, so we can see, and question number 5 is false. Okay, now solve the figure following. Draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. Okay, here it is drawn hexagon. Draw a triangle by joining any 3 vertices. So any 3 vertices join and you have to write it. Okay, now, okay, so it is a octagon already. You have to draw hexagon. Draw a rough of a quadrilateral and write vertices of the sides. Okay, the vertices are ABCD. Here you can see vertices. This is okay, here you can see. So let's go further. Make the following. Okay, so here if you see, it is very easy. Cone is here. Okay, see, cylinder is here, cuboid is here, and prism is here. Okay, so let's go further. Do a direct. Which type of angle is created by half rotation? So whenever we rotate half, 180 degrees is created. Write the symbolic form of 2. Okay, so here this is not a perfect sign. Perpendicular is a perfect sign. Okay, so what is the measurement of the angle formed in the morning at 9 o'clock? At 9 o'clock angle formed is 90 degree, so we have written it 90 degree. Okay, now where will the hand of the clock stop? Okay, Kavya, if he starts from 5 and makes 3/4 rotation, it will stop. Okay, it will stop at from, if he starts for 5, it will stop at 2. Okay, so answer, it will stop at answer is 2. Okay, answer is 2. It is not written properly. Answer is 2. It will stop on 2. Okay, now it is given equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle, 2 sides equal. Okay, isolated triangle, equilateral triangle, all side equal, equilateral triangle, 2 sides equal, and scalar triangle, neither side are equal. Do as directed. Write integers. So answer, it is given here. Answer is here. In this answer is -9, and here from -9 you write till +9, positive and negative integers. If number B is on the right side of the number line and is A is on the left side, okay, then which number is the greatest? Okay, which number will be the bigger? If B is on the right side, okay, right side means positive, so which number will be greater? So B will be greater. Okay, solve the problems. Reads 25 pages. Okay, so here who reads? Krishna reads the more pages. It is given Krishna reads the more pages. Add 2. Okay, here it is already added, and the answer is given here. Okay, and here the answer of 3. Okay friends, so share this video with all of your friends and please subscribe. I will come up with all the similar solutions. Thank you.